Welcome to Chris's Central Station. We're down at the Classic Trains Collectors in Adelaide. We've gone down there with a lot of scenery. So the scenery you see on the tracks, we've taken down. The trains and the stations are all owned by the members of the Classic Train Collectors. This was the June long weekend exhibition. We put one up for the combination. Lots of interesting scenery on this. We've got Hornby, American bin. That one on the left has been lit. You can see we lit some of the stations, or much as we could. Those lights changed as the trains go past. On this particular line, the lights of the station come on, and then they go off once the train's passed. These little hedges here are all French, quite rare, but look really good when you see them on the track. Now that's a hag train. We've been trying to chase it so we can go up, run up past it, let it go ahead and come back. And those of you who are wondering why it has a pantograph on that carriage, it's because that's the kitchen carriage and it needs power to power the ovens, etc. No microwaves, of course, because Hag stopped making O-gauge in 1957. They like to put little figures on, keep the kids happy, and of course, there's Percy's and Thomas's. They always go well. Lots of telegraph poles. They make a tremendous difference to the layout. Painted those and brought those down. And these stations, lots of them. Peter, the owner, paid a fortune to ship them from Germany, but they look terrific when you line them up like that. It's quite fast when you get down to this level. Now we let the hag go past, chase him. See some American carriages down here from Lionel MTH. That belongs to Mason, a 12-year-old member of Classic Train Collectors. Ignore that fellow on the left. You don't want to look at him. Almost feels real, doesn't it? When you get the two trains racing along next to each other. I gifted the Classic Train Collectors the corner pieces because it really makes the trains look good and your eye doesn't run off the track because you follow the train down round the corner and enjoy the scenery and the modelling. This is of course point of view. Hope I haven't made you sick. Got another one coming up which may well do that. Yeah, the lights changed. Station lights have come on. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this new point of view footage we've got down at Chris's Central Station. I'd just like to thank you very much for watching. There's always more trains at Chris's Central Station. Thanks to the CTC.